We're back here with Ali from Norwell Healthcare Services. And, Ali, obviously, you got a lot of professionals who work with you, between your nurses and home aides and such. But, the caregiver, who maybe doesn't have your help yet, it can take a lot, take care of somebody. And what are like 3 ways they can avoid getting burned out? What are 3 strategies or something they can do?
One is really try to understand your situation as best as you can. I can't say that enough, honestly. The reality is that it's a lot to take care of a loved one, from a child even to an adult, and to have to put extra hands on and do that extra thing that you wouldn't normally do, and so having that understanding that it's going to happen, and it's going to always happen at the most unforeseen times, and being aware of some of the changes and some of the things, just for your own sake as you're getting older, and that's where the empathy comes in. As I get older, I get more forgetful.
Yeah,
that kind of thing. Know? So now you got somebody that's dealing with Alzheimer's, that's forgetful 90% of the time, and at the times when you don't need them to be forgetful, and you got to follow up behind them. So education helps. Being educated also definitely. And when you start seeing these things, being as plugged in the beginning as you need to, so that it doesn't have to start to become overwhelming. So if you know what you can expect in certain things, and everything's different, but these people put these, packets and information together. They know what they're doing. We've been doing and dealing with a lot of these kind of things for a long time. And
you have information on your website, don't you, about even some stuff like that, about what to expect and how to. It's a good source, and we'll mention that before we leave here.
I do.
So, you mentioned just being aware of what you're into, being educated about what you're dealing with. Is there one other thing that, folks can do is just
you're not alone.
Yeah.
You're not alone. Build, the thing is try to be as on. So there's two more things, just right quick. One thing is definitely, now these people or your loved one, your mom, your dad is in your care. So plan out your day, plan out as best you can to know what you need to